Hello students, welcome to ARK Study Buddies. Let's learn today what is indices and what are the rules of indices in mathematics. What are indices? Indices shows how many times a number is multiplied by itself. Let's take one simple example, that is multiply 2 3 times. That equal to, we can write as 2 to the power of 3, that equal to 8. So let's understand what is 2 and what is 3. So 2 is called as base, 3 is called as index or exponent. Let's take one common examples of indices. 5 square is equal to 5 into 5, that equal to 25. One more example, 10 to the power of 1, that equal to 10. Let's take one more example from real life. Take a square of side A. So area of the square is equal to side into side, that equal to A square. So A is base and 2 is index or exponent. Let's learn rule number 1, product of powers. In this, a to the power of m is multiplied by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So the base are same, but the powers are different. When they are multiplied, the powers are added. Let's take one example. 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 2, that equal to 2 to the power of 3 plus 2, similar to a to the power of m plus n, that equal to 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. So remember, when the base are same, powers are different, multiplied together, then the base will remain same and powers will be added. Let's learn rule number 2, quotient of powers. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. In this, base are same, however the powers are different. So when these two are divided, then the powers will be subtracted. Let's take an example. 5 to the power of 4 divided by 5 to the power of 2, that equal to, base remains same 5 and the powers are subtracted, 4 minus 2, that equal to 5 square, which is 25. So remember, so when the base are same and powers are different, when it is divided, the base will be remain same and the powers will be subtracted. So students, let's learn rule number 3, power of a power. A to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. When power of a power is there, then those two powers are multiplied. Let's take one example. 3 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 3, that equal to 3 to the power of 2 into 3, that equal to 3 to the power of 6. So remember, when there is a power of a power, multiply the powers m into n. Hope you are enjoying the lessons. So let's learn rule number 4, power of a product. A into b whole to the power of n, that equal to a to the power of n into b to the power of n. So here the product is a into b. So the power goes to each variables a to the power of n into b to the power of n. Let's take one example. 2 into 3 whole to the power of 2, that equal to 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2, that equal to 4 into 9, which is equal to 36. Let's go to rule number 5. Power of a quotient. A divided by b whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n. Let's take one example. 2 divided by 3 whole to the power of 2, that equal to 2 to the power of 2 divided by 3 to the power of 2. You can see the power is added to each variables, that equal to 4 divided by 9. So remember, the power goes to both top and bottom. Let's learn rule number 6, that is zero index. A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Let's take one example. 7 to the power of 0 also is equal to 1. So remember, anything to the power of 0 is 1 and a should not be 0. Let's learn rule number 7, that is negative index. In this, a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 divided by a to the power of n. Let's take an example. 2 to the power of minus 3, that equal to 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3. So that equal to 1 divided by 8. Remember, if there is a negative power, then you have to flip the fraction. Let's have a quiz. 2 to the power of 4 into 2 to the power of 3 is equal to how much? Let's take 10 seconds. Options are A 2 to the power of 7, B 2 to the power of 12, C 2 to the power of 5. So solution is 2 to the power of 4 plus 3, that equal to 2 to the power of 7. That means option A is the answer. Thank you so much for your attention. Stay tuned for next lessons.